Alright, I'm going to the dump. And somebody just got bathed up and was good. So somebody's getting a dog treat. You want this? Huh? Good girl. Well, I'm going to the dump, folks. I haven't been here long. I'm preparing a place back in here to rake. I got a real nice marble. Let me set this down and I will wipe it off real quick. Well, check out this, folks. It's a clear blue base with white wisps all through it, it swirls. Wow, that's a pretty marble. Very nice. Very nice. Well, anyway, later, folks. Oh man, V is for victory, folks. It's just about a minute after I raked out that little dish here. Look here, I got a nice little crock. Oh, and it's perfect. All right, day maker indeed, son. All right. Doesn't have any writing on it, but man, it's a nice small one. Oh, it's real nice condition. It's just perfect. It's got a brown glaze on it. Real nice little one. It's got them glaze spots on it showing the inside of the crock. You know, this is early 1900s, late 1800s. Probably butter come in this or something. All right. That's a day maker indeed, folks. All right, later, folks. That's kind of a rather cool bottle. It's got little embossed flowers up here at the top. I'd say it's some kind of perfume, but it's cork. I'd say there was some kind of stopper in it. There's probably some kind of ladies perfume from the 40s or 50s, but I'm gonna take at it. It's real nice, like a leaded glass. Later. All right, last trip I was here, I was talking about how I wanted to find one of these weird shaped whistle colas, and I just raked one out way back in there, folks. And I already picked it up and looked at it, and it's nice. And it says New Martinsville, West Virginia on the bottom of it. It's a New Martinsville one, and I told you the other one I found was... Just got this big blue bottle, no embossing, but man, look at this. It's busted. Real small crock, cobalt blue designs on it. Could even have said something on the other side, but busted. But I just got a nice marble. Let me wipe it off here real quick. This is a nice one. I'm into some nice looking marbles. Anyway, oh man, this is beautiful. All that blue is real clear. I can see my finger moving on the other side of the marble. That is just awesome. It's probably an old alley. Look at that. Wow, that's nice. It even could be an Acro or something. Christensen, who knows. It's an old vintage marble though, and it's nice. Later, folks. I just wanted to show you this real quick. This is an old tin iron toy, and it's a ship. Right here's the top of it. You can see the decks going up, but it's all of them are just destroyed. It's a shame all these aren't whole, because I'd have hundreds of them. They're all over this dump. And this one had wheels on it, where a kid could push it across the floor on the front and back. It's probably post-war Japan, or right before World War II. It's right in that area, late 30s to the 50s. Later, folks. Yeah, I'm in a pretty cool layer back in here. Got this little cork top. It's probably some kind of little perfume or something. Probably marked. Can't tell what it says on the bottom, but that's cool. I'm finding lots of little bottles today. I got more down there. I'll show them on cleanup later. Alright, I'm still on the marbles. I raked these right out together. This one's busted. It's one of them clear ones with a white wisp to it, but that's junk. But I got a nice green and right white one, and it's perfect. It's probably a Marble King St. Mary's. Yeah, there's a patch here on the side. It's a pretty nice marble. I have a whole jar full of them from the last 10 days. It's about that tall. I'll show it at the end later. And look at that big marble there in view. I just raked it out back in there. Wow, it's got purple right there, baby blue, and a big yellow. Swirl, that's not a Marble King. I don't know what that is. Let me wipe it off here real quick. Nice. I don't think that's a Marble King. It sure didn't look like it. That's pretty nice. Wow. Later, folks. Man, I'm on the marbles today. Right here's another one of these, I think, ceramic glazed marbles. Let me wipe it off here real quick. Yeah, it's one of these glazed ones. It's some kind of ceramic glazed marble. It's really nice. Later. Break this out. It's a cork top Listerine bottle. It says Listerine Lambert Pharmaceutical Company. That's old. They don't, you know, that's cork top, so that had a cork in it. Wow, that's an old one. It's perfect too. Take that later. Man, it was a lot of digging to get this to where I could actually sit down and rake. I'm just sitting in this stuff, but I'm in a good spot. Check out this marble. Hold on, let me wipe it off in my shirt here. Yeah, look at this. It's clear base with white wisps all through it. Wow, that's nice. It's a pretty one. Real tight lines in it there. There's white swirls through the middle of it. It's nice. Well, anyway, later, folks. Alright, I just raked out this old, like, porcelain doorknob again. I got tons of them. Got this white thing, and that's a weird bottle, isn't it? This is from the 30s. There's a lid off something that would have been nice, but I got another cool marble. It's right here. It's Marble Madness today. I'm finding some good ones again. But you can see I got a nice place. Oh yeah, this is another good one, and it's just flawless condition. They're coming out of this like sandy loose stuff. Just, oh yeah, it's another clear base. It's got a green swirl, a lime green swirl on it, and then it's clear base with white patch on the outside. That's nice. I got a whole pocket full of them. Whoa. Later. Seconds later, I raked this out right in the side there. It's an embossed bottle. Let's see what it says. First McNest Company, Freeport, Illinois, USA. And it's perfect. It's a nice little bottle. That's nice. Well, anyway, later, folks. Alright, I'll rake this marble out right in the back wall. It's only been minutes. And I already wiped it off to save time, but look at this 2-color cat eye. Well, it's actually 3. It's dark blue, light blue, and then into white. And it's just flawless condition. It's a really nice marble. Later, folks. Alright, it's the first one of these in a while. There's an old clay marble. Not bad, man. I'm really on the marbles. That's a clay one. Pretty cool. I'll show you this stuff in a jar displayed at the end of the video later. Yeah, I just found something kind of cool. It says makes 3 quarts of soft drink, no sugar needed. Sunny Boy, just add water. And it's the Sunny Boy Company, Fresno, California. That's old. That'll clean up nice. That's pretty cool. Later. Alright, I'll give you a little wrap up here while I'm putting stuff in my bag. The better stuff's up there, but got 2 of them flower pots. There's lots of them white crown caps in there. There's a couple spoons, all kinds of blue glass. That Whistle Cola bottle's right there. take that green one. Let's see, there's that cork Listerine. I think that's it for right here. Here's that embossed First McNess. More blue stuff. There's another one. I got several nice cork bottles here. They say stuff on them. They're cork, they're old ones. Heberling. There's a real nice one with a recess spot in it. Another little cool bottle. And of course, the Crock right there. There's a big lid I found. I got multiple other things in my pocket here. One whole pocket's full of marbles. I'll show them when I get home and get them cleaned up. But there's them white crown caps. There's a old lipstick container. Big spoon I didn't show you there. Some lids for stuff. But I got this beautiful Crock. It's a nice one. Right here's an old cork top. I think this is Jim Beam since 1795. Yeah, Beam. It's cork. I don't know if I'm gonna take that or not. I might get it next time. I'll get that doorknob, and that looks to be about it. Let's see, I think that's everything. I'm gonna take this green one. I can sell that at a flea market. But I got a Crock, folks, and I got this whole thing's full of marbles, and I got more in another pocket. There's like at least 25 nice ones in there. I'll show them and some of the stuff. Yeah, I got that little tray down in there, that little soup dish in that Crock. I will, yeah, right there. I'm gonna put this Crock in my shirt. I'll put the marbles in this and show. I got this thing too, children's cold wafer. Still got the original. It's glass. It's got a plastic cap on it, but it's an old medical thing. I just am taking it because it's all there, and I can keep something in that later. I'll get back at you in a minute when I get in. Later. Well, I just found this keeping my hole in up there, and I've never seen this one nor found it. I don't think either. I don't have it. I'm gonna clean it up and put a new cap on it. It says Lamb Mason. Very cool. Very cool. Lamb Mason. Well, we're taking that. I love it. Don't see nothing else around here, but there's these mason lids everywhere. But I will get back on my next hunt. Alright, here's some of the stuff I carried out today. It's not all of it. I still got some more of these blue bottles and green ones and a few other medicines out in a bag that I'm not going to clean up tonight. Some of the stuff, most of the stuff I showed, like I didn't show this, and I found this metal trumpet. Don't know what that's off of. I didn't show that. My GoPro wasn't beside me, but this is the stuff that's mostly in my video. We've got a real nice Crock right there. It's just awesome. Got that Lamb Mason, some medicine bottles, some cork ones there, some more of these White Crown 1910 patent date caps. Lots of cool marbles there. There's a button, and you can see these White Crown caps are just beautiful. They're real pretty glass. Another doorknob, just lots of mess, cork Listerine bottle. You'll see all this stuff in the video. The only thing I've got cleaned up so far is the Crock, but I'm working on the other stuff. I just wanted to show it all together. There's multiple spoons and forks and stuff. I got some more out in the garage, 3 or 4 more spoons that are bent up and stuff. But anyway, I just wanted to show later. Alright, this is like a week and a half worth of marbles. You can see there's just beauties in there. All from a dump, all dug by me. I also dug the jar and found the lid separately, but you can see you want to save that stuff because it fits right on there. I'll set it down and kind of turn it around. There's that real nice blue, and there's red ox blood ones in there. Just there's lots of nice ones. You see some of the ones from today on top there. All these in, well, around 2 weeks, if even that. I find lots of marbles, and they're all a big variety of marbles. Most of them are just real nice shape, but I told you I'd show you, so there you go. Later. Alright, I just wanted to show you this. It's like a light blue glass. This is that last mason I found. I got a cap out of the dump and cleaned it up. You can see how I leave just a little bit of corrosion on them, but not much, just to make it look vintage, because it is. But this is that last Mason I found, the Atlas Mason, the old style. It would have been in the video when I found the George Washington awesome bottle with the peace pipe and stuff on it. But look at that, it just cleaned up beautifully and it's flawless. Look how nice that is. It says Atlas Mason's patent, and I have other ones that below the patent say 1858, but this is an old one, and it's bubbled glass and it's real thin glass. I can't believe that's whole, but I love these. That's a heck of a nice find. You can see it there. It's going right in my cabinet inside. I just wanted to show you this before I head up to the dump. The water's kind of up and I'm limited on what I can do, so I'm going to go to the dump again later.